Energy is all around us, all the time and everywhere. Using this energy sustainably for the common good is what drives us. How can we support economic progress while conserving our planet's resources? What technologies make societal development possible and will preserve our environment for future generations? The future has never posed a greater challenge: the transition to a climate-neutral world.
Remote regions around the world, for example, the Faroe Islands, depend upon an independent energy supply. In such regions, MAN Energy Solutions is working together with local suppliers to develop solutions to make renewable energies reliable. We harness energy from the sun, wind, and water in creating intelligent hybrid power solutions that can provide even the most remote of regions with a constant power supply, around the clock.
As an energy source, gas plays a crucial part in sustainable energy supply. However, physical limits impede the development of offshore gas fields, leaving resources untapped. This is why, together with our partners, we developed the world's first plant for pumping gas on the seabed at a depth of 300 meters in the Norwegian Sea. By pumping gas from the seabed, reservoirs can be tapped more effectively, emissions reduced, and we can play our part in protecting our planet's resources.
The use of gas as ship fuel broadens the horizons for environmentally friendly shipping, enabling a dramatic reduction in harmful emissions. We are working on the maritime energy transition. This is why we equipped the Wes Amelie for operation on liquefied natural gas, making it the first container ship in the world to be powered by this type of fuel. As a result, the Wes Amelie has become a symbol of greener shipping and increased the commercial competitiveness of its shipping company.
Whether in shipping, energy production, or industry, our MAN PrimeServe service division ensures fault-free operation through on-site help at customer locations around the world or remotely through our new digital services. This allows us to identify problems before they even arise. With smart tools, we can provide on-site engineers with instructions on how to fix issues in next to no time. 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
For the energy transition to be a success, renewable energies have to be able to be stored and used in versatile ways. We must still guarantee a constant energy supply to our towns and cities, even when there is no sun or wind. We are developing intelligent systems for this purpose that combine different energy sources, store power, or convert it into heat, cold, or climate-neutral fuels. This will allow us to unlock the full potential of sustainable energies.
Together with our customers and partners, we are investing all of our energy into creating solutions for sustainable prosperity. Together, we will lead the transition towards a carbon-neutral future. This is our mission. This is Future in the Making.